Everywhere we hear it, walk 10,000 steps a day. But is that really what your body needs after 60? Or could fewer steps, done the right way, be just as powerful for your health? Today, we'll explore how much walking is truly best for seniors and how to make every step count. The 10,000 steps rule actually started in Japan back in the 1960s as part of a marketing campaign for a pedometer. There was no real science behind it. It just sounded like a nice, round number. But in recent years, researchers have been asking, do older adults really need 10,000 steps to stay healthy and live longer? Several large studies from Harvard, the University of Massachusetts, and Europe found something interesting. For adults over 60, even 3,000 to 7,000 steps a day can lead to major health benefits. This includes a lower risk of heart disease, a better mood, and a longer life. In one Harvard study of older women, walking just 4,400 steps per day reduced their early death risk by a staggering 40%. The benefits continued to increase up to about 7,500 steps. But after that, they started to level off. Walking is more than just exercise, it's movement medicine. It improves your circulation, strengthens your muscles and joints, and even boosts brain function. Each step you take helps manage blood sugar, reduces inflammation, and supports your balance, which means fewer falls and injuries down the road. It's a simple, yet incredibly effective way to protect your health. The number of steps matters, but how you walk matters even more. Think quality over quantity. A brisk 30-minute walk that gets your heart pumping can be just as powerful, if not more so, than hitting 10,000 slow, leisurely steps spread throughout the day. Here's a good rule of thumb. If you're just starting out, aim for 3,000 to 4,000 steps a day. Then, try adding about 500 steps each week until you feel comfortable. It's important to mix in some moderate intensity. This could be as simple as walking a little faster for a few minutes or choosing a route with gentle hills. And don't forget, even light movement throughout the day like gardening, cleaning the house, or just walking around your home, it all counts toward your daily total. Before starting any new walking plan, it's always a good idea to check with your doctor. This is especially important if you have joint pain, balance issues, or any chronic conditions. Make sure you have comfortable, supportive shoes. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, and most importantly, listen to your body. Don't push yourself too hard, especially at the beginning. To stay motivated, you could try tracking your steps with a simple pedometer or a phone app. It's rewarding to see your progress. Walking with a friend or joining a local group can also make it more enjoyable. And don't be afraid to explore new routes in your neighborhood or local parks to keep things fun and interesting. So, you don't need to chase that magic number of 10,000 steps to age well. What really counts is moving regularly every day in ways that make you feel strong and alive. The key is consistency and finding what works for you. Lace up your shoes, take a deep breath, and remember, every single step, whether it's number 3,000 or number 10,000, brings you closer to a healthier, longer life. Thanks for watching our Healthy Aging Guide. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on staying active and strong. We'll see you in the next video.